here's the kwento. Okay, yes, I auditioned for PBB Teen Edition Season 4. The one where Myrtle won, I think, yes? Oo, so ang nangyari nun, I've been such a fan of PBB. I grew up watching PBB to the point na kasi late night siya pinabalabas. Nagpapaalam ako sa parents ko na pwede po bang mag-extend ng bedtime so I can watch and finish the whole episode. So, when they announced on TV, so literally I was a kid watching the television. In my room, I saw PBB audition na meron. Pwede kang pumila, kahit sino. Niyaya ko na kagad yung mommy ko. Sabi ko, Mommy, I wanna line up and I wanna join. So I lined up. That was in Mall of Asia. It was such a long line. 5,000, I remember 5,000 auditionees that day. I was number 3,900 something. So I lined up from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. Yes! Ganun siya ka-intense. 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day, and I had to go to school. Nakakaloka, pinapaglit na ako ng mommy ko. Pero kasi I really wanted talaga. I was so curious as a kid to see what's really going on inside the house. And luckily, I got in the first screening. On the second screening, it was here na, inside the Bahay of Kuya. Inside the Bahay of Kuya.
It's okay, you're making kwento.
You're making kwento.
Okay.
Hindi na ako na blessed na makapasok after that. And you know, so today, it's such a full circle moment for me to be able to, you know, audition how many years ago, and then right now, I'm standing in front of you as a host. It's such a full circle. Sitting pala daw, sabi ni Ro. Pero ano, I'm so humbled and I'm so grateful for this opportunity. I'm thankful for the bosses, to the bosses of GMA, of ABS-CBN, for considering me to be part of this history. And I'm really excited to get to know all the housemates, to get to see the house. And abangan pa natin kung anong mangyayari sa akin sa tatlong panahon. Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari. Si Kuya na ang bahala.
Wow. Thank you so much po.
Ako siguro ibabase ko sa naging mali ko nung housemate ako. Masyado ko ino-overthink lahat. Every little thing. Sobrang nandito ako sa ulo ko. Sinabihan pa ako ni Kuya ng, Bianca, gamitin mo ang puso mo. Huwag lang ang utak mo. Ganon. So, as hard as it is, mahirap man, try not to overthink. Kasi you really should just have fun because it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Yeah, Robbie.
Si Melay muna.
Ako naman, sinabihan ako ni Big Brother, Melay, gamitin mo ang utak mo. Huwag ang puso. Big Brother, hindi ako nag-iisip. Saring lang.
Pero ginamit mo rin yung puso mo doon, ha?
Kaya-
Sa loob.
Yes! Siya ang nagwagi.
Correct.
Hindi siguro, aside sa magpagkatotoo, lagi din sinasabi namin ito mag-enjoy. Kasi syempre celebrity sila, di ba? I'm sure 24 hours yung trabaho. Alam mo yung halos everyday yung trabaho nila. Ikuan nila ito, i-reset nila yung utak nila na para silang nag-retreat, nagbakasyon, di ba? Para silang nagkaroon ng self-time, me-time sa sarili nila. And getting to know to self-time? Ano ba yung
Me time.
Okay, I'm now signing off. Sorry lang. So, nagpagkaroon sila ng me time kasi mindset lang yan eh. I-mindset mo lang ang sarili mo. Huwag mong i-mindset na para kang nagkompetisyon talaga. Huwag na huwag yan. Very no-no yan. Kasi dyan ka talaga yan ang ikakaibig mo. Basta ang enjoy and i-treat mo yung sarili mo doon sa loob na para talagang wag talaga. Inaction ko na. Ayun naman. Naintindihan niyo naman ako. Sabi?
Alexa.
Sige po.
Alexa.
I think halos pare-pareho din po kami ng mga advice. Para naman po sa akin, siguro not to strategize too much. Yun po yung napansin ko kasi tuwing nakakanood ako at sa recent din and pati nung edition ko po, parang para sa mga taong nag-strategize, who try to calculate their moves, it just doesn't work as well as being your true self talaga, or just letting things flow. And pati yung pakikitungo kasi sa ibang tao, medyo nagiging, yun nga, parang medyo calculated or a little staged. And people know it. People can sense when it's genuine. And people, yeah, they can, like what Gabby said, they can see through you din eh. So, just don't strategize too hard. Para din, syempre po, ma-enjoy mo yung journey. Because it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to say that you went in as a housemate sa pinakasikat na bahay sa buong mundo, sa buong bansa. So, don't ruin your fun by strategizing too hard. Kasi at the end of the day, may mananalo naman talaga at matatalo. But winner ka pa din kasi na-experience mong maging housemate.
At minsan it's up to the people din na
Yes, no
nanonood.
matter how hard you try to calculate things, nasa tao pa rin talaga kung ano yung perception nila sa'yo, kung tatanggapin ka nila or hindi. So, leave it up to fate na talaga. Yan po.
Go, Robbie.
Simple lang. Mag-ambag ka. Kasi yung ibang mga celebrities or yung mga ibang mga housemates actually, isipin nila, paano kung hindi ako marunong magluto? Paano kung hindi ako marunong maglaba? Di ba? Ang dami-daming mga household chores dyan. Maglinis ka, maghugas ka ng pinggan. Kasi lalo-lalo na for this edition ng PBB, everyone's a celebrity, yes. Pero you are a celebrity and also your housemate together with other people. So makisama ka at magbigay ka ng sarili mo ambag.
Paano naman pagdating sa love life at saka sa pag-link?
Sorry?
Sa linking, sa loob ng bahay. Kasi every edition lagi may nalilink o, di ba? Unang-una na dyan, syempre si Mary na napangasawa niya.
Yun! Strategy ba yun?
Actually, ngayon ko lang aaminin sa inyo. It was all a show.
Pagkatapos niya magkaanak.
Sorry, hindi pala show. Tutulog na yun. So, yung link, yung paano yung mga link,
Oo, yun, syempre yung pumapag-ibig sa loob
actually,
ng
yung mga
bahay.
pag-ibig talaga, hindi mo na mapipigilan yan. Kung ang puso mo na talaga nagsalita doon.
Yes.
Kasi kahit, di ba, tayo naman talaga magsasabi talaga na yan, Ate B, di ba tayo talaga makakal yan? Kasi pag kunwari kayo lang sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, talagang hindi mo mapipigilan ang puso mo na ma-inlove talaga. Kasi four corners. hindi mo, kasi siyempre kayo lang nasa loob, kahit kayo siguro, ipasok kayo talagang, alam mo yung, makikita nyo yung good side ng tao, na kahit sa iba parang bad side, pero parang sa'yo parang good ito. Diba? So, si Lord lang din nakakaalam niyan.
Si Ate B na na-link din noon.
Yes, yun nga yung sasabihin ko. Sinabi ko lang sa kanila.
AZ, di ba?
Napakahirap pigilan talaga. Sobra. Imagine, kung may type ka sa loob ng bahay, tapos mula pagkagising sa umaga, tapos bago ka matulog sa gabi, nakikita mo, tapos bibigyan ka pa ng mga tasks na parang mapapalapit ang loob nyo sa isa't isa. Si Alexa may mga experience din dito.
Yes, susunod na siya.
It's hard. It's hard. Lalo na kung nagpapakatotoo ka lang. I mean, it's something na masasabi ko now, looking back 19 years ago, dami ko natutunan and it only made me stronger. So, hindi kasalanan ma-in love, except you have to pay the consequences kung meron man. Ayun lang.
Pero kung may crush ka sa loob ng bahay kayo, huwag mo nang iparamdam kay Big Brother. Kay bakit?
Makikita din niya. Alam niyo yung nakakatulong din,
Oo,
yung
okay.
pangdunso ng mga housemates.
Correct.
Minsan yun ang sumapaisip ka, oh ano, parang ganyan.
Gusto ko ba talaga siya?
Pero
Oo.
ito lang ang masasabi ko, mapipigilan mo pa yung utot, pero yung pag-inlove mo, hindi mo mapipigilan sa loob ng bahay, Kuya.
Totoo!
Dahil 24 hours ka makikita ni Big Brother na gumagano ka pag nakatingkas sa isang house na gano'n ka.
Correct.
Ay!
Tatalawin ka. Uy!
Kinabukasan, may task na kayong
Oo.
dalawa.
Uy, ilabas mo na yan. Huwag mong pigilan.
Alexa,
Yes po.
naging kalati mo pa ngayon.
Yes, pero I think yung naiba po sa amin kasi ni Katie, hindi siya plinano sa loob. I mean, it's not something we saw coming then as two individuals. Wala kaming gusto sa isa't isa nun sa loob ng bahay. As in, ate nga ate pa nga
Oo.
Ate mo noon, ano ngayon?
Nung inibig din ako si Alexa ate, tapos paglabas pa rin, more than ate na.
I guess we had time to actually process things, realize things, look back at things, and then that's where you realize na, oh, okay. So I think it's my kwento is a bit different from theirs kasi mas sa outside world na po kami. But thanks to the house, I met him. So,
From ate to aking.
Ay! Ayan, si Robin lang yata ang, meron ba na-link sa'yo?
Si Yosef.
Ay!
Si Yosef Elizalde. Yun ang nalig sa akin. Kami yung BFF.
Kasi kontra na kayo, di ba?
Pero-
Ateneo and Lasal.
Oo, ate nila sa during my edition. Pero yung totoo nun kasi, darating yung moment na pati yung mga panaginip mo, mga housemates mo na rin. Ganun siya. Everyone can attest to that, di ba? Kasi sila at sila lang nakikita mo eh. Ayun, yun ang mundo mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Proximity, parang you get attached to people because of the proximity.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
Glenn.
so much.
Di, tsaka mahirap ma-inlove dun sa edition nyo kasi may parents, di ba?
Na-in-love yung parents actually.
I don't want to plan things so much. I don't want to strategize that much. I just want to be myself when I host PBB. I want to be as authentic as possible. And ayun, gusto ko lang din magpakatotoo as a host. So I don't want to be pressured na kailangan ko sundan si ganito, si ganito. I want to be myself. So yun po. And of course, I've been doing my share also. I've been learning so much. I've been doing my research, learning from my mentors, the boy, from my co-hosts, kay Ate Bianca, kay Robbie, kay Lelay, and kay Alexa. So, ayun, I just wanna let things unfold naturally for me.
Thank you. Melvin naman.
Nice answer, Gabi. Grabe. Hirap mag-follow up doon. Pero, totoo yung sinabi ni Gabi. I just want to let things naturally unfold, no? But besides that, syempre, I think it's just getting to know different types of personalities, no? So, nagbabasa din ako, like, online, of course, mga libro, and I have may pinsan kasi ako na nag-graduate sa BS Psychology. So, I want to get to know the different types of personalities, but nagkakaroon ng ganung type of personality, why does this certain occasion happen, so that when I get to, not really judge, but to get to know the housemates, no, with Alexa, I get to say the proper terms, that's so important nowadays, no? Kung bakit sila naging ganito or whatsoever, para lang maging proper lahat. So yan yung naging preparation ko for this hosting.
Thank